There you go. Now we're getting where we wanted to. So I was bored today and looked through my stash of broken screens because I have a ton of them. And I had a curious question because I started doing something and I realized I can make a YouTube video out of it. I was bored one day and I found out I have a broken A34 5G screen that I can break because the glass on top is not broken. Let's see how tough it is. Tile drop. It's not a A34 5G, it's a A26 5G. Let's try chest height. No, nothing. Mind you, with a gouge on the screen, that would actually cause it to crack more. Head height, I'm around 6 foot. Okay, that sounded bad. No, it's fine. Let's do one more above my head height, so it's around 8 foot. It's fine. Ceiling height drop. It's fine. With that, I was doing it with an S22 dummy as weight. So instead of doing it with an S22 because it's very unfair to the screen, and I want to do a comparison test, the 13 Pro Max weighs as almost as the A34 5G. The A26, and the A26 weighs almost as an A34 5G. So I'm using A34 5G for the sake of a weight, and I'm using the 13 Pro Max as a weight. So to be 100% fair, because I think so it was around 204 grams, the whole phone. This is 202 grams. Same goes here, it's like 200 and like 200 grams, this is like 199 grams. So let me get these prepared. So yeah, and now it's prepared. So if it does drop like that, it will impact the glass. Both of the screens are broken in one way or shape or form. This is, as you can see, a huge blob, and I tested it, the screen is broken, it's not worth anything. And this one has, as you can see, a bunch of cracks in the OLED, so that's also dead. So yeah, we'll see how good this is. So my 11 Pro Max I'm using as a camera, slow-mo cam, and first let's start with a A26 drop test tile. 3, 2, 1. That was pocket height. Same thing goes now to 13 Pro Max. So 13 Pro Max, pocket height. Okay, both survived at the moment. Yep, all good. Chest height, drop, 3, 2, 1. Chest height drop on the 13 Pro Max, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so far surviving, but my tape is not surviving though. Head height, drop onto tile. Start recording. So head height, drop on tile. 3, 2, 1. Same thing goes to 13 Pro Max. 3, 2, 1, head height. Okay, so 13 Pro Max survived. Oh, the A26 did not survive the drop. Huh. Weirdly, when putting actual proper weight, it doesn't survive. Huh. Okay. let's do overhead, over the bearable minimum, I guess, because at the moment it didn't break. So over the head, 3, 2, 1. And there you go, the 13 Pro Max also kicked the bucket onto tile. Let's see how bad the S826 over the head. 3, 2, 1. That's funny. Okay. And now the 13 Pro Max over. Wow, I already did over the head. So now, ceiling height. So that's around 10 feet onto tile. So we go with 826 first, or iPhone. Let's go with iPhone first. 3, 2. So 3, 2, 1. Now, the same drop onto tile from 10 feet onto . Okay, a bit more cracks, but it's fine. Nothing gonna stop me from doing more. So let's go outside and see. More than 12 feet, I think so. It is gonna be. So 826 first goes. 3, 2, 1. And iPhone 13 Pro Max. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We got no more cracks. Interesting. What about the third? No more cracks. Huh. I mean, there's no point. Just for the shits and giggles, let's drop it again. So 826 again over the head. Oh, 12 feet more, like. Okay. Probably didn't see on frame. So 13 Pro Max. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, the 13 Pro Max. The 13 Pro Max hit the rock and still survived, or whatever that was. Okay, and the last one we're gonna do is the concrete. So one more for the test. Concrete. 3, 2, 1. And 826. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's survived. Whoa. Huh, interesting. So now the 826 is gaining back the points. Okay, so chest height. And 826 now. Okay. Okay, so for A26, what? Wow, the iPhone is taking a beating now. Okay. Head height. First, the Samsung goes. 3, 2, 1. And now the A34. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the iPhone is progressively getting worse. Meanwhile, the Samsung is still staying the same. Okay. The iPhone is already out of the game. Like, we can agree that it's not good performance. This hasn't broken yet on concrete for some reason. Nope. Still okay. My poor dummy. Still okay. Okay, I didn't think so I need to go this drastic, but let's try something else. Full slam. Really? Just that of a small impact? Oh, I can't reuse this frame. Okay, let's try again. There you go. There you go. Now we're getting where we wanted to. And one more time for good measure. Nah, one more time. There you go. That sounded like, yeah, there you go, perfect. The 13 Pro Max, let's try it on that. Five times. Whoops. Ow. One more time for good measure. There you go. Okay, so I mean, admittedly, this had a whole phone weight. Admittedly, meanwhile, this had no phone weight.
Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe, or you can scroll down for more information, like our link tree, or Discord server, or whatever we think important to you to see.